That's just, dude, you could do a bond drop all day if you soft it like that.
Yeah.
That's cool, bro.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna talk about the 3 easiest tricks to put into a trick line. And I wanna see if y'all can do it, or maybe one up it, see what y'all can do. Send me it on Discord, link in description. You can go see that and join our Discord, and you can post all your tricks and stuff into that feed so I can see all of them. This is the 3 easiest tricks I would say to put into a trick line. So first you're gonna toe tap, which is pretty easy. Then you're gonna 180.
It's not that easy.
Now you're backwards, and so you need to do a 180 burial to get forwards again. See, like now I'm facing
That's perfect.
forward, and I can ride it out easier. So if you're not good at riding backwards, if you're not too good at riding backwards, then that 180 is gonna help you. Even though your board is backwards, you're still riding it out like you're forwards.
Hey,
That's cool.
hey, even if you're bad at 180s or driving switch like this, go watch our video on how to get better at riding switch.
Ride and switch.
Like going around a 18-wheeler. Or a truck.
Yeah, drive around an 18-wheeler. That'll help you. What was that, Bob? I don't know. You ran over something.
You can just like ride easier, do a switch, just ride around an 18-wheeler.
All right, hit that line, trick line, like all 3 together.
Oh my god, I got stuck. My foot got stuck. Oh,
What?
what is going on here?
Hey, take us through how your board's set up right now. What do you have on your board right now? And what do you like it?
All right, guys, I'm gonna take you through my board real quick. So we jump off. We got the blue rails right here from Onewheel. We got the free ride bumpers from Onewheel again. They're awesome. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I've had these for like 4 months now, and they're still like
You've had them
barely
more than 5
scratched.
months. 4 months.
Barely scratched. Like
Barely.
the other ones would have holes in them by now. So like I would have already been through 3 pairs. So I would recommend those. Then we got the Float Life rail protection. We got them right here. Go to Float Life to get those right there. And then we got the big performance tire right here.
Wait,
What kind of foot pads you got?
Foot pads, I don't even remember. Something low boy, right?
Low boys.
Low
But
boy
the soft.
flat, low boy soft.
Soft low boys.
That's what they are. Soft low boy foot pads. Yeah.
Hey, can I
Oh,
get a
what's your
GT?
lights?
My lights, you can go to electrolyte.com.
Electrolytes.
Electrolytes.com.
Oak City Electrolytes.
Oak City Electrolytes. You can get your lights changed. Just a little attachment that you put on your board. And it changes your lights right here. We got
Did we
the
do a
4th
video
of July
about,
still. And then when it's
What's
on
your
the
code?
ground, it's blue.
And use your code.
Yeah, we have a code, Barilla Snaps, right?
Yeah.
All right, when you go there, use code Barilla Snaps to get 10% off. All right, so that's my board setup.
Actually, I'm gonna cheat for a game of 1-wheel sock.
All right, let's get it.
Well, how you play that?
All right, concrete to concrete is goal.
All right, I like this. Okay.
That's
Am I refereeing my board? No, that's a point. Never mind. Somebody's gonna flip.
Oh, knock it out. Knock it out. Knock it out of the line. Take it. Oh, God. What are you
Wow.
doing? Fucking champion right here.
All right, 1-0. 1-0.
I want a chance at the title, coach.
All right, that's it. Oh, he left it open. Get him. Oh, knock him off.
Almost a goal. What? No.
2-0, bro. What, have you been practicing this? No way.
Oh yeah, Onewheel soccer.
U-ball video.
Huh?
What happened to the U-ball?
We didn't finish it. Oh, Onewheel U-ball?
Oh, we passed the wall.
Oh no. You okay?
Go!
What are you knocking? What are you playing? Best of 5?
I don't know, I guess.
Best of 5?
First to 5, I guess.
First to 5? Okay. Did he? I don't put it right there for him. Wow.
I have to try to get back to something.
You had it. Jude, you have it.
That's out, bro. That's out of bounds.
No, indeed.
It was right here.
That's out of bounds, I think.
Side to side, bro.
It's side to side and you went off the edge. Whoa.
Oh no. He leaves it. Yes! Oh, he left it. Catch him around.
Dang.
Sweet. Oh, buddy.
Hydrate.
I'm here.
So what are your hardest tricks that you do on a one wheel?
S-spin. We got S-spin, shove it, 360 varial, I'd say. I mean, and I just did them all three,
All 3.
back to back to back. Took me about 5 tries to get that 360, about 15-ish to get the S-spin, and then the shove it was like 4. So,
Okay.
not bad.
How long you been riding one wheel?
4 years.
4 years?
4 years.
What about you?
4.
And what happened to you right off the bat?
I got thrown off.
You got thrown off and what happened?
Broke his arm.
You broke your arm
Yeah.
twice.
3.
Yeah.
Twice.
3 times.
3 times? You broke your arm 3 times?
I broke it right
Twice
here.
on a one wheel.
Twice on the one wheel, and once right here.
Yeah. What has one wheel, learning to ride one wheel before any other board, right? That was your first board to ever start riding? What has that done? Learning to ride a one wheel, what has it done for you personally in your life?
I mean, it's helped me learn how to ride skimboard, wakeboard. Like when I went wakeboarding for the first time, I got it in 2 tries. The skimboard is a little different. Skimboarding, like at a beach, is a little different because you have to worry about the drop. Like I could easily just put the board down, hop on it, and take off, but
Yeah.
it's the dropping that you got to really get used to. So, I mean, one wheel has been the start of things. The only thing I really haven't learned is a skateboard, which I don't even have one, so I haven't really
I
tried
used
to.
to have one.
So, yeah, I mean, one wheel's the start for me of riding all the boards you see me doing.
What do you want to do next in your, what are you striving to move toward?
I'm striving to move towards to what Noah is now.
Okay. All right. You're working.
Yeah. To do
You're working
tricks.
to advance your one wheel
trick line.
trick lines. Got it. Okay. What about you? What is your next step? Not just with one wheel, but anything. Just what are you trying to do right now?
Getting paid for riding one wheels
Getting paid to ride one wheels?
And getting paid for having
and
fun.
water, having fun, basically. Playing video games too.
Video games, streaming.
Yeah.
What about winching?
I mean, if I had one, that'd be great.
That's
Yeah,
what
if
we're
we
working
had
for.
one,
If we had a winch, that would be great.
you
Yeah.
would be seeing us riding in the Comet River.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Make sure you go to my Discord, link in description. You can go find that and send me your best trick lines, whatever tricks you got, anything, board mods, you can send me all of that. Send me everything you want. It doesn't just have to be one wheel. You can like send skateboard, you can send everything. It's not just one wheel community, it's everything. So it's all board community, so make sure you go down there. And yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.